Hi guys, welcome. I will be reviewing the Radiant Health Centers based in Orange County. I hope you find the following information helpful. Radiant Health Centers is a nonprofit HIV service provider that targets to help the LGBTQ plus community and those living with HIV or are at risk for HIV as well as their loved ones. The LGBTQ plus community is at a higher risk for adapting HIV and many of them are not being treated nor provided with the necessary medical care nor prevention methods. This leads to greater negative health outcomes, such as malnutrition and a higher percentage of other individuals being affected with HIV or other STDs and spreading it to more individuals. This CBO increases the proportion of persons who receive appropriate evidence-based clinical preventive services by providing them with the PrEP and PEP test as well as allowing them for HIV testing and other services such as mental health, food pantries, and housing assistance. Their services and educational outreach reduces the proportion of individuals who are unable to obtain the necessary medical care. The Radiant Health Centers have a vision for healthcare equity of the LGBTQ plus community and to end the HIV epidemic in Orange County. Most of their fundings come from generous donors as well as events they host, such as the annual gala that happens every January, the Walk for AIDS of Orange County, which occurs every spring, the Fall Cycling Fundraiser, and the Orange County Ride for AIDS. Some of the services they offer are client services for people living with HIV. These include case management, financial assistance, food pantry, nutritional program, as well as housing assistance and transportation. They also do education and outreach. These programs seek to inform and teach the public about LGBTQ plus health equity and how to avoid HIV transmission. They also have Family and Kids program that provides support groups and counseling, annual family camp, and recreational outings, as well as mental health programs that include group counseling sessions, and they offer medical services such as the PrEP and PEP, which is a daily pill that is used to prevent HIV in someone who is HIV negative, as well as other testing services such as hepatitis C testing and HIV testing. For anyone who would desire to work for the Radiant Health Centers must be caring, compassionate, and have a growth mindset as well as be able to adapt to diversity. They must also have long-term commitment and a passion for the mission-driven goal. The Radiant Health Centers have done a fantastic job working on cultural competence for their LGBTQ plus community and their loved ones. Considering they are based in Orange County, most of them do come from Hispanic Latino roots. Therefore, they are a bilingual. Considering many of their targeted individuals might live in poverty, they do offer transportation services as well as other resources this targeted population might be in need of, such as housing resources. The health education program offers positive speaking and testing to help people understand how to avoid HIV. About 1,800 people are receiving free HIV testing through the program. Philip Yeager is the executive director and CEO. He started his career off as a volunteer 24 years ago, as he soon developed strong appreciation for the resources and the commitment provided to the community. Wida Sharifi is a chief financial officer who has over 15 years of experience. Previously to working at the Radiant Health Centers, she worked as a chief financial officer for the Alzheimer's Family Center. Sandra Budman is the Senior Director of Programs. An interesting fact about her is that she received her master's degree in social work from California State University of Long Beach.